It is a big content day. You guys are here to shop my stash. So let's get into this video. I've been letting you guys know that I would get back into doing shop my stash videos, but I wanted to move into my apartment, my new apartment. So I am in my beauty room and it is messy. We just moved in. Literally, it's about day 3 of us being in here. And I'm also filming a lot of content today. So if you guys see me looking like this or whatever, it's because I literally filmed all of this content in one day. And I just didn't have time to do it any other day because I'm already behind on so much content. Now, I filmed a BoxyCharm unboxing because you guys do know I am subscribed to BoxyCharm. And I did the February and January unboxing, and then I purchased a lot of the mystery bags, or not a lot, maybe like 4 or 5 of the mystery bags. Wait, 1, 2, 3. I actually purchased 9 of the mystery bags. And this makeup look that you guys see right here, I completed this makeup look using some of the products that I got from that last unboxing. So I'm also probably going to go ahead and include some of these in this Shop My Stash video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. For those of you that don't know what Shop My Stash is, it is a means for me to put my products on display and use them throughout the week or throughout the month and switch them up. This is for people that got a lot of makeup and they are not using their makeup as often as they should be, or they are, I guess, hoarding a lot of the makeup and not actually using it, and it's going bad, going old, etc. So you go through your makeup drawers, cabinets, whatever. You pull out a few products to wear throughout the weeks or the month, etc. And then you end up switching them out at the end of the week or the end of the month. And I'm going to do it by the month. So let's get into it. So right here is where I'm going to house all of my weekly or monthly products. At the top of it, I just have what I have my lip glosses in for now. I don't have many. I don't know why I'm saying I don't have many. I do, but these are the ones that I leave up here. Because I mean, these are the ones that I basically use for the most part, and a lot of them are old. I haven't purchased too much new makeup, mainly because I got so much makeup that I pretty much paused on using, put a halt on using, because I've just been so busy with life, etc. But y'all, I got so much makeup, I need to start using some of this. So let's just jump right into it. We're gonna start with primers. So for this month Shop My Stash, I'm going to add this Bella Priere primer, this HD soothing primer. I'm going to add this inside of my bin for the month because I got this in a BoxyCharm. I tried it on today, but I've never used this brand or anything, so we're just going to be trying something new. So here are where a lot of my foundations and primers are. So I'm going to be pulling some stuff from here. As far as primer, I'm actually going to be pulling some primers from down here. I'm going to be getting this e.l.f. Power Grip primer because I mean I just recently purchased this one, so I want to get a little bit more use out of this. I'm just going to grab this Youthful Glow by Ulta Beauty. This is a primer with hyaluronic acid. I mean, it's been so long since I've used this, it doesn't make any sense. So I just want to try to use up some of these products. Okay, I don't want to be wasteful. So these are what I'm going to be using for my primers. I'm going to take this Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is a very old concealer. Not for me. I just recently repurchased this, but this concealer came out a very, very long time ago. And I think they got new packaging. I don't know if they formula changed, but I'm going to be adding this. I feel like I don't really like this foundation. This is the Burt's Bees Goddess Glow Liquid Foundation in the shade Cocoa, 1062 Cocoa. I don't know if I like this one. I don't know or remember liking it or, you know, utilizing it a lot. So I'm going to be pulling this one out just to kind of use it, get a glance of it. Like, do I like it? Why did I even get this? I don't even remember. And I'm really just going to work on these 2 foundations for this month. As far as powders, concealers, etc., that is what's in this drawer. I have to organize my makeup it's, y'all know, I'm just now moving in. I didn't even organize my makeup before leaving. I just basically taped up the drawer and sent it out to go. So I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I'm going to be taking this for the week. I just recently went into Target. I grabbed this. I'm going to also take, I mean, this is literally one of my favorite contouring concealers. This is the Naked Skin contour in the shade Deep or Extra Deep. I love contouring with this. This Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I'm going to take this concealer because it's almost done, and I'm going to be adding this to the project pan. I need to get rid of this. I'm going to also take this Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I got this a very long time ago, and it's just it just be sitting here, y'all. So I mean, let me just try to get some use out of it. So I'm going to be taking these 3 concealers. So let's go ahead and add some of this stuff. So I'm going to be putting my concealers and stuff here. I'm going to be putting my primers and stuff here. So primers, concealers, foundations. And then, okay, so it's been a minute. I'm trying to use stuff that I haven't used in a very long time. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Medium Deep, and I'm going to be using this for powder this week or this month. Like I said, y'all get in the comment section, do y'all want it bi-weekly or every month? I'm going to be taking my MAC powder in NC45. It should be NC45 for full face powder. And really, I don't need much for powder, honestly. I'm just going to also add the e.l.f. powder because I just got this one. This is the e.l.f. powder that they just got, the Halo Glow. So these are going to be just the powders that I'm going to be using. This is a blush that came from the BoxyCharm, so I definitely want to use some of the items that I got from BoxyCharm in this as well. So this is from Moon Slice Beauty. This is what the blush looks like. I'm going to be taking this one and using this one. I just recently purchased these e.l.f. liquid blushes. So I'm probably going to also be trying these as well. And I'm going to go with this this one. This is in the shade Berry Well. And then I'm also going to get it in, I'm going to drop the orange one because I love that. Like I can't wait till the summertime for that one. But I'm going to also try this Pearlesque Blush Glow BB Cheek and Lip Cream Blush in lip color. I got this in my BoxyCharm box as well. So I'm going to be taking these 3 blushes for this week, this month, whatevs. All right. And then, oh my gosh, actually, okay. And so for highlighter, I'm actually excited for this because I got these in my BoxyCharm box as well. And these look amazing, I think these look amazing. They're going to do amazing. So this is from JLo Beauty, and y'all, this one actually shocked me. I'm not gonna lie, this one actually shocked me. It is you know, Valentine's Day coming up. I'm probably gonna be using this for Valentine's Day. So I want to add this, and then I want to just go ahead and add one of these, which it'll probably be this one because I think I used this one. This one is also a liquid highlighter, so I'm going to grab these 2 for liquid highlighters, but I'm also just going to get a regular highlighter, which I don't have many of them. This is a contour. I don't know why this is in here. This is supposed to be for highlighters. Well, yeah, I'm probably just going to do those for liquid because I don't really do too much with highlighting these days anyways. Double Dipper. I want to take this Double Dipper. I feel like I remember using this and liking it, but I just don't remember. So I'm going to take this one. I am going to I just recently got the Pat McGrath out of the BoxyCharm, so I'm going to take this one for BoxyCharm reasons. And then, I mean, since we saw it, let me just grab the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. Boom. And we're just going to take these three. I'm not going to do too much for our first comeback. And then, so yeah, as far as palettes go, I'm not going to use any of the palettes that we already have. I'm actually going to be trying all 4 of these palettes that I got in my BoxyCharm this month, or my mystery bags. So this is the Wander Beauty in Neutral. This one, in my opinion, is more like, you know, cool tone colors. So, you know, I don't necessarily have an issue with cool tone colors, but I don't use them that often. This one I used today, actually. And this one, I actually really like this palette. It's a nice travel size product and is good, in my opinion, for everyday eyeshadow looks. So I'm going to be adding this one in as well. I like this. This is from Half Caked, Your Eyes Only. It has 9 eyeshadows inside of this palette. I think this looks so cute, so perfect to add. And then Laura Geller Seasonless Staples Wildflower Wishes palette. It has 14 colors in here. So I'm going to be using all of these for this month. Let's go ahead and add some of this stuff. I'm going to switch it up a little bit though. So we have primer, foundation, concealer, highlighter and blush, face powder, contour powder, and contour. And then we have eyeshadows. As far as setting sprays go, I'm going to really just make this simple, fast, and easy. I'm going to take the Morphe 2 setting spray. I'm also going to grab the e.l.f. Power Gel, or I'm sorry, not Power Gel, but Power Grip. And then we're just going to use those two because, you know, we don't have to do too much. We don't have to do too much. We don't have to do too much. Okay, y'all. So that's pretty much all the products that I'm going to pull out and pick for my Shop My Stash. I'm not going to add any skincare or anything in this video, or any lip products in this particular video, because I just don't think there's a need to do that. But y'all get in the comment section, let me know, like I said, if y'all want me to do it bi-weekly or every month, and I'll be giving you guys you know, updates on the products, and I'll be doing videos of me actually using these products. So yes, don't forget to get in the comment section, hit the like button on your way out. Mwah.